red light blinking. Cool. I don't think we've decided yet. Yeah? Oh, I am, yeah. But if I do that, I just realized I'm not going to be able to film you guys, though. So, which way are you guys going to go? You guys going to the left? Shit. And you guys are going where? Left or right? Left, right. Left. How about you? Left? Alright, well, I'll go with these guys then. And you guys will cover this side then. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Well, I mean, you 6. You 6 go that way. Oh, I mean, no. Like, us 3 are going to go there as kind of a diversion. And then you guys all going on that way and then overpower them. Yeah. Well, hopefully we'll get shot. And then you can shoot the guy shooting at us. But dude, this map is huge. Oh, wait, no, sorry, I take it back because they cut it in half since last time. Shit, alright guys. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. It works. Alright boys. I think we should start moving forward a bit. Far right. Far right. Behind the B box. Or 2. 2 left side, that's right. Yeah. Got them. Yeah, listen. I'm gonna flank. Left. I see. Shit. This is not good. You guys are pinned down. Okay, I'll cover the left. Guys, I'm pinned down. Don't worry about it. Oh, they had us pinned down, man. Let's come around this side. I'll cover them here. How about I try and go behind that one then? Because, yeah, Reese is right. We have to cover that left flank. So, you're saying that they have eyes on us going in through that, like that? Shit, so it's not going to be easy getting behind that. I'll try though. Oh fuck, where's Reese? Good man. Shit, that means we have to cover the right side now. They're advancing. They're getting closer. Shit. Yeah, got him. There are two of them hung down behind that box. You see it? Box at 12 o'clock. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about. Don't know where they are now. Where are you guys? Good man, Reese. You got it, huh? Ah, shit, is he? Reese, where are they? Who got you? Yeah, got him. You're good, you're alright. Yep, I got him. You're right. Oh shit, man. you, man. That's one way to look at it, huh? Get the guy who did that to you next time, right? Interesting. Okay, dude, where are they? Is there anybody here? You out? Fuck! Where are they? Oh, you alright? Yeah. Nice one though. Ah! You got me. You did get me, right? That was alright. I was lucky with you, man. Seriously. I just happened to be aiming right at your head when you got there. Otherwise, you would have got me, man. I would have put you I know you would. So the thing is, your colleague there, he peppered me with like 5 shots all around my. I was like, oh, I'm out. Yeah.